वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 8 का चैप्टर नंबर 14 पार्ट 6 हम देखेंगे। एक्टिविटीज फर्स्ट टू प्रिपेयर टॉर्च बल्ब टेस्टर। द आंसर इज apparatus and material, battery cell, torch bulb with holder, copper wires for connection and fourth crocodile clips। ठीक है, प्रोसीजर में लिखना है connect the given material are as shown in the figure। Second, circuit is called open circuit if crocodile clip A and B are not connected, the current does not flow in the circuit and torch bulb does not glow। Third, the above arrangement is called electric tester। Uses of electric tester: first, to test that given object is a good conductor or insulator of electricity। Second, to test that given liquid is a good conductor or insulator of electricity। Number 60, second activity, to test whether lemon juice or vinegar is a good or bad conductor of electricity। The answer is apparatus and material में आपको बैटरी, टॉर्च बल्ब, एनोड, लेमन जूस। प्रोसीजर में लिखना है आपको टेक अ बीकर एंड क्लीन इट, टेक some water in it and pour 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or vinegar in beaker। Bring your tester over this beaker and let the end of the tester dip into lemon juice or vinegar as shown in the figure। Take care that the end are not more than 1 cm apart, but at the same time do not touch each other। Does the bulb of the tester glow? Does lemon juice or vinegar conduct electricity? How would you classify lemon juice or vinegar a good conductor or a poor conductor? Observation में लिखना है yes, lemon juice and vinegar both conduct electricity। Third, lemon juice and vinegar both are good conductor of electricity। Conclusion में लिखना है lemon juice and vinegar both are good conductor of electricity। Third activity, draw the diagram of electromagnetic tester। ठीक है, इस तरह से आपको ये इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक टेस्टर ड्रॉ करना है। और नेम भी लिखना है। नेक्स्ट करते हैं पेज नंबर 61, फोर्थ पॉइंट, टू शो द केमिकल चेंज इन dilute solution of common salt when current is passed through it। इसमें apparatus and material में आपको बैटरी लेना है, ठीक है, बीकर, कार्बन रॉड, ठीक है, और वाटर और सॉल्ट लिखना है। यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है वही आपको वहाँ पे लिखना है। प्रोसीजर में लिखना है आपको take out carbon rod carefully from 2 discarded cell, clean their metals cap with sandpaper, wrap copper wires around the metal caps of the carbon rod and join them to battery। We call this 2 rod electrode। Instead of carbon rod you may take 2 iron nail about 6 cm long। Pour off cup full of water in a glass bowl, add teaspoonful of salt or a few drops of lemon juice to water to make it more conducting। ठीक है, और ये आपको ड्रॉ करना है। उसके बाद now immerse the electrode in this solution, make sure that the metal caps of the carbon rod are outside the water। Wait for 3-4 minutes, observe the electrode carefully। Do you notice any gas bubbles near the electrode? Can we call the change taking place in the solution a chemical change? Recall the definition of chemical change that you learned in class 7 ठीक है। उसके बाद ऑब्जर्वेशन में लिखना है आपको, यस बबल्स ऑफ गैस आर फॉर्म्ड ऑन द इलेक्ट्रोड, यस change taking place in the salt solution is a chemical change. Third, chemical change taking place in chemical reaction is called chemical change. Third, chemical reaction is as follow: tap water dilute salt solution, electric current, hydrogen gas plus oxygen gas. Conclusion में लिखना है, initially vegetable or fruits connected to electromagnetic tester partially conduct the electricity. This flow of electric current produces chemical effect in them. Page number 62. Fifth, to demonstrate and explain the process of electroplating. Apparatus and material में आपको लिखना है बैटरी, बीकर, कॉपर प्लेट, सॉल्यूशन ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट, ठीक है, और कॉपर प्लेट. प्रोसीजर में लिखना है आपको, we will need copper sulfate and 2 copper plates of size around 10 cm into 4 cm. Take 250 ml of distilled water in a clean and dry beaker. Dissolve 2 teaspoonful of copper sulfate in it. Add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to copper sulfate solution to make it more conducting. Clean copper plates with sandpaper. Now rinse them with water and dry them. Connect the copper plates to the terminals of a battery and immerse them in copper sulfate solution. Allow the current to pass for about 15 minutes. Now remove the electrode from the solution and look at them carefully. Do you find any differences in any one of them? Do you find coating over it? What color is coating? Not down the terminal of the battery with which this electrode is connected. After doing the electroplating activity, Paheli interchanged the electrode and repeated the activity. What do you think she would observe this? Bujo could get only one copper plate, so he performed activity by connecting carbon rod in place of copper plate which was connected to negative terminal of the battery. What do you think Bujo would observe this time? तो ऑब्जर्वेशन में आपको लिखना है, yes we can see the differences in one of the plate. Second, yes we can see the coating on the plate and it becomes slightly thick. The third, the color of the coating is light reddish blue. The coated plate was connected to the negative terminal of the battery. When Paheli interchange the electrode and repeat the activity, she found a layer of copper on the plate which is connected negative terminal of the battery. The plate that is connected to positive terminal of the battery found to be slightly thin. Also the concentration of the copper sulfate remain unchanged. Bujo observed the layer of copper on the carbon rod. Conclusion में लिखना है, the material that has to be plated should be connected to anode. Moreover, the electrode should contain that material. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहीं पे कंप्लीट होता है. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.